If you have a question about Cartesia Sonic 3, you can ask me specific questions about its features, capabilities, limitations, settings, or troubleshooting.
Cartesia Sonic 3 is one of the best text-to-speech models for building voice AI applications. This video shows you its integration with vision agents to build your next voice AI application in Python. When building a voice AI application, one of the crucial aspects is to consider the text-to-speech component for your project. If you use the OpenAI Real-Time API or the Gemini Live API, you will have a single model that handles speech-to-text, turn-taking, and text-to-speech. To use a custom voice pipeline, you can, for example, build an agent with vision agents that uses DeepGram for speech-to-text, Gemini as the language model, the open-source project Smart10 for turn detection, and also Cartesia Sonic 3 for text-to-speech. This video focuses on the text-to-speech component of the pipeline using Cartesia and Vision Agents. Cartesia is available in Vision Agents as a plugin. To test the sample voice AI demo for this video in Python, you should have a Cartesia API key, Stream API key and secret, Gemini API key, and an API key from DeepGram. Cartesia Sonic 3 is a text-to-speech model for building AI applications. To experience how it works, come to the Cartesia website and try any of these demos.
Oh, wow. Valentine's Day snuck up on you, huh? Don't worry. We'll get you a table, no problem. Let's make it special.
So you can use this model for building realistic voice applications in Python. One great thing about Sonic is that you can build a voice app that has a human-level speed. You can create voice AI applications with latency ranging from 40 milliseconds to 150 milliseconds. You can use Sonic 3 for different use cases. For example, in healthcare, you can use it for building a finance agent or for a professional voice cloning application. The model is also available in several languages. Over here, they have 40+ languages. The Vision Agents Cartesia plugin is available on PyP. So to get started with the Sonic 3 model in Vision Agents, you should install it with this command. Using UV, I have already created a Python script and added all the following imports. After you install the Cartesia plugin for Vision Agents, you can import it here. In the Python script, I have defined a main async function and also created a new agent using the agent class of Vision Agents. In the agent's definition, you define your custom pipeline. We have the Edge network as get stream for low latency audio and video interactions with the agent. We have the agent's identity, detailed instructions, the speech-to-text component, LLM, and turn detection. Over here, we are missing the text-to-speech component, so let's add it here. All we need to do is to use the TTS parameter and specify we want to use Cartesia for text-to-speech. Once you specify the TTS parameter this way using Cartesia, by default, it will use the Sonic 3 model for text-to-speech. Vision Agents also allows you to customize the text-to-speech component. So with Cartesia Sonic 3, we can, for example, add another parameter here, model ID, and specify the kind of model we want to use. You can, for example, change the default model from Sonic 3 and choose Sonic 2. You can also add voice ID to select a specific voice, or specify your sample rate in Hertz. Let's leave the default configuration. So for this example, we use Vision Agents to create a video call so that when we run the Python script, we can interact with the voice agent in real time. With the agent using Cartesia Sonic 3 for text-to-speech, I will bring the terminal with Ctrl and backtick and run the Python script.
If you have a question about Cartesia Sonic 3, you can ask me specific questions about its features, capabilities, limitations, settings, or troubleshooting. For example, you could ask, how do I change the speaking rate in Cartesia Sonic 3? Or can Cartesia Sonic 3 pronounce specific foreign words correctly? If you want me to test its abilities, you can provide me with text for Cartesia Sonic 3 to read and ask me for my opinion on its pronunciation, intonation, or overall quality.